cover about the introduction. I'm going to cover about the procurement itself and what are the processes in the procurement audit, the risk assessment of the procurement, the contract and the key elements of the contract, the audit approach in conducting procurement and the contract audit, and I will give a conclusion. Why do we think that procurement and the contract audit is very important? Let us look at the significance of expenditure in procurement, both in public and private sector. Taking public sector, you will find that more than 50% of the government expenditure goes into procurement. The same with the private sector. Take organizations like mining companies, breweries companies, beverage companies like Coca-Cola. The amount they spend in purchasing raw materials, the amount the government spent in buying works, goods and services, you will see that it is an area that needs a very close look. And therefore, that is why it is very important for us to consider procurement and the contract audit.
The key thing is the tone at the top. We are talking about the control environment. Because if the control environment, the top management, doesn't set the direct tone, the correct tone, then automatically the control environment, what goes down, what the employees perceive to be the structure or the controls in the organization will be what exactly they see from the top management. So we're talking about the monitoring system, the information system, the controls which are there. We're talking about the policies and procedures which have been put in place so as to achieve the objectives of the organization. So when you're looking at the internal controls coming from the control environment, we're saying this is a very important aspect. It's a very important aspect to ensure that we achieve the objective of the organization, accountability and integrity, and improve the operations of the organization, instill confidence to the users, to third parties. So it's all about governance in the public sector.
We're discussing this, first of all, that internal audit clients need to appreciate our existence. I know for sure you are there as an internal audit, giving assurance and consulting services. So it is important for your client to know why are you there, what the purpose of having an internal audit function in an organization. Second is that internal audit clients have to know the product we offer. You may appreciate that quite a number of services or products we as internal auditors offer, especially on a consulting activity. But from assurance.
For the future of the local government internal audit services. The local government authorities in Tanzania came from back before the independence. We are established around 1926. And again, after independence, some of the features of the native authorities were copied. We have a challenge. The challenge is the auditors of local government, as in the public sector as a whole, we are not focusing on how we can accrue more profits and reduce costs so as to make much big margins of profits, but deliver quality service to the citizens. And this is one of those areas where there are so much challenges for us.